Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this Ash K Holm filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. To get this filter on Instagram, visit the creator profile. Sophie is the creator of this effect. You can follow her to unlock all her filter to your Instagram camera tray. She is having some awesome filters. So check this filter gallery. She is having lots of filters, so check carefully. Okay, and this is the filter. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. And suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. So here in this website you will see link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, likewise. Okay, and that's it, you got the filters. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effect on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.